paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make drawing out of letters today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Let's make drawing out of letters today. Why don't we start with the letter A? Here, we will try and make a joker hat out of the letter A. And below that, why don't we make the joker's face? Yes, we can call it a clown as well. Let's make it properly. Now, let's make a smile and then make it thick. This is how a joker looks, isn't it? Now, let's start sketching with our sketch pen. And make sure you make the letter A a little thicker so that we know the letter for each card. Let's give it a beautiful outline. Lovely! Now, why don't we start coloring this? We will use a skin color or peach color for the face. Touch the outer line and start coloring first. After that, go in standing line. Now, let's color the hair in a different color. I am using orange here. You can take whichever color you like. Let's do the nose with red and the hat as well. After that, let's take yellow color and complete the hat. Just because it's a clown, we can make its eyebrow of any color. This looks great. Now, let's go ahead with letter B. With the letter B, why don't we make a butterfly? That's right. Give it a beautiful design as well. You can give your very own design. Let's make the letter a little thicker at first. And then trace the entire drawing. Once we are done with the tracing, we will start erasing all the pencil marks and then color it with our favorite colors. Let's take pink color for the outer part. And for the inside part, why don't we take yellow color? Make sure you do not leave any white gaps. Finally, let's use orange color for all the dots. What can we make with letter C? Yes, a beautiful moon and stars. So let's start tracing this now. Well, this looks so beautiful, isn't it? Let's do the moon with yellow color. And let's do the stars with blue color. This looks lovely. Now, what can we make with letter D? Well, it's a summer fruit. And can you tell me which fruit is this? You are right, it's a watermelon. Why don't we sketch the watermelon now? Let's make the borders thicker. And after that, let's start making the inside part of the watermelon. Why don't we erase all the pencil marks and then color it? Let's take our light green first. And after that, let's take our dark green and make such patches in the middle. And finally, let's take red color and complete the inside part. Great! Now with letter E, can you tell me what can we make? Yes! Why don't we make a cute little elephant? This is so simple to make, isn't it? Now, let's start sketching it. Yes, the letter needs to be a little fat. Let's sketch the entire drawing, erase the pencil marks and then start coloring. For this, we will require grey color. Let's do the grey color inside the elephant. But first, we will touch the line or the border and color it. And after that, we will color inside in one direction. This looks beautiful. Now, why don't we see all the letters placed together? If you wish to do this with other letters, you can do it with other letters as well. Why don't we see how to do it with other letters? Letters like F can have a flag, G can have a giraffe, H can have a house, I can have a cupcake, J can have a lamp, K can have a snowflake, L can have a boat, and M can have a mail. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.